Namaskar. Did you know that we have about 57 muscles on our face? But it is interesting that we don't exercise even one of them consciously. Today I am going to tell you more about face yoga or Yogendra Ananam yoga, which reduces wrinkle and is anti-aging if you practice it regularly. Let's begin. Sit comfortably on a mat on a firm chair. Do not slouch. Fix a point in front of you. Following practices reduces laugh line, wrinkles, and it is anti-aging in effect. Close your mouth and run the tip of your tongue all over inside of your mouth. Begin with back of your upper lip, slowly moving the tongue left to right to left inside of the upper lip, and repeat the same with lower lip. Practice this 5 times slowly each side. Now phase 2. Begin by taking the tip of the tongue to the right cheek and gently move it clockwise and anti-clockwise inside your cheek. Repeat the same on the left side. Practice this 3 times slowly on each side. Phase 3. Begin moving the tongue in a complete circular movement, touching the inside of the cheek. The tongue runs along the outer teeth, massaging the cheek and the outer gum. Practice the same in anti-clockwise direction also. Practice this 3 times slowly. Phase 4. Begin with moving the tongue in a complete circular movement, ensuring to run with tip of your tongue on the inner walls of the teeth, massaging the inner gums. Practice this in anti-clockwise and clockwise direction. Phase 5. Begin with moving the tongue in a complete circular movement, ensuring the run with tip of your tongue on the walls of the upper teeth, touching the outer gums, and returning back, touching the inner gums. Practice this in clockwise and anti-clockwise direction few times. Repeat the same for the lower jaw. The following practice helps in strengthening and tightening the facial muscles. Variation 2. Pout the lips. Take them to the right. Hold the position for 6 counts. Return to the center. Repeat on the other side. Variation 3. Pout the lip and quickly move from side to side for 4 to 5 times. Variation 4. Keep the lips closed. Jet out the chin and lower jaw and move them in and out slowly. Practice this for 4 to 5 times. Variation 5. Keep the lips closed and move the lower jaw from side to side slowly, about 4 to 5 times. Variation 6. Open the mouth as wide as possible and move the lower jaw in and out 4 to 5 times. Variation 7. Look upwards at the ceiling with mouth closed. Jet out the chin followed by jetting in. Practice this movement of jetting out and jetting in 10 times. Now keep the head straight and relaxed. While releasing, bring the chin down. Variation 8. Look upwards to the ceiling with mouth closed and then turn the head to the right. Jet out the chin and then jet in. Repeatedly 5 times. Repeat on the left side. Variation 9. Open your mouth as wide as possible and move the lower jaw from one side to other slowly for 4 to 5 times. Variation 10. Move the eyebrows up and down 4 to 5 times, rolling the eyeballs to look up. Variation 11. Close the mouth and tighten the lips and smile fully, simultaneously widening the eyes. Repeat the practice 5 times. Variation 12. Pout the lips and then widen them with a broad smile. Releasing the position, open the mouth fully. Repeat the above 3 steps 4 to 5 times. Variation 13. Open the mouth wide and stick the tongue out and move the tongue from side to side. Practice this 4 to 5 times. Here are few simple suggestions to get the best out of your face yoga practice. Practice every day without strain, preferably in the morning. When the mind is fresh, even 5 minutes with full attention can bring result. If saliva builds up during this practice, swallow it slowly. Our yoga text calls this amrit or nectar. This saliva is so important. It is very healing and nourishing. Avoid gargling immediately after practice. Let the benefits settle in your mouth and throat. Skip face yoga if you have mouth ulcers or severe irritation. Wait until you are fully recovered. With regular practice, you will notice toned facial and neck muscles, improved circulation, firmer skin, softer wrinkles, reduced headache, and less neck stiffness. For deeper result, stay well hydrated. Massage your face daily with warm almond or sesame oil or ghee and get a proper sleep. Remember, no glow comes from a tired body. So give your face some care and attention. A glowing face is not the result of makeup. It is a result of calmness and daily care. Begin today, not because of the fear of aging, but because you deserve to feel good every day. May your face reflect the light within, and may that light never fade. Namaskar.